Welcome back, everyone. This is now the 9-month update of our ongoing 20-way ceramic spray coatings longevity test. We've had a lot of rain this last month with pretty average temperatures as we get ever close to summer here in East Texas. The last 30 days weather as well as the lifetime weather is on your screen right now. We'll spray this hood down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, rinse to check and inspect the hydrophobics before we dry everything off. Everything's getting pretty tired, as you'll see here in just a minute. As usual, check the links in the video description as to where you can buy these products, as it does help the channel out. I also have an awesome spreadsheet with all the info on the products in the description. If you'd like to support the channel, that information is here on your screen now. If you're new to the channel, not familiar with these tests, I've been doing tests like these for the last 6 years now. This hood sits outside of our shop here in East Texas 24/7, exposed to the elements, and we'll wash and inspect it on a monthly basis until the last one fails. I do have other tests with similar products and other products running right now alongside this one, so please go check it out. Of note, each time we wash it, we rotate it 90 degrees, and that's the way it's stored, so it's not always in the same position. Looks like Glossit Bodyguard, it's still doing okay. Turtle Wax Ceramic Wet Wax it's been kind of weak for a long time. I think we finally called it failed, but it's ever since the 30 or 60 day mark, it's been doing that same spot there. Everything else on the top looks like it's failed. Maybe Mother's CMX, it's getting... it's still showing some signs of weakness. IGL Easy Graphene still doing okay. It's actually looking really good. And Adams 9H Graphene Spray. You can see that it's also showing some signs of weakness, but Griot's Garage 3-in-1 doing outstanding. I mean, just really, really well. I think that's been the surprise in this whole test has been Griot's 3-in-1. It's done very well. G-Technic C2V3 looks like it's already failed, and Adams 9H UV spray coating kind of, I think we're going to finally call that failed. Shine Armor had failed. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax Spray, it's barely hanging on, so we're going to call that one failed. Well, I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic, let's leave it as weak for now. It's not completely failed. Looks like IGL Premier barely hanging on there, but we'll leave that in the weak category. So really, the only ones that are truly not weak right now are Griot's, IGL Easy Graphene, and Glossit. Those are Glossit Bodyguard Spray, Body Spray Guard. Those are the only three. I don't know what's going on with Turtle Wax there. There's several that are very, very weak, but at this point, 9 months, that's the original intention of these coatings is sort of a quick time-saving measure. So if it starts to get weak like this, you simply apply more, and you're golden. So we're going to keep this test going until the year mark to see if anything continues to change. We do have the next 10 days forecasted for rain, so it's going to continue to weaken everything too. So please stay tuned. Thanks for subscribing, and we will see you guys soon.